you've got two expensive assets within a business, and one of them being your machinery and the other one being your personnel.
We've got a great story for you now. We're here at Metal Tech, one of the largest and most diverse subcontract machine shops in the Southwest. It's a nice opener to have that, isn't it, Steve?
It's very nice. Thank you very much. Yeah.
No, pleasure. It's a great machine shop here. And Steve, you've recently, I say recently, quite a few months ago, purchased a Nakamura-Tome.
We certainly did. We purchased a machine last September. It was installed by ETG, along with support ancillary equipment supplied by Hydrofeed.
Right. This is all about providing a solution, and that's exactly what this machine has done. So tell me, before we get into the nooks of this interview, why did you need this machine? Because you've got sliding head machines here, fixed head machines. So why did you need this?
Well, a customer came along to us with a substantial contract. We identified a need to be able to produce a significant number of parts at volume, and although we do have the equipment and machinery, as you've already stated, we are conscious of how we utilize our personnel and the hours that are available to us within a normal working week. The Nakamura solution allows us to operate well outside of our normal operating window.
And the whole solution, so it's not just the machine, it's everything here that is making you work outside of your operating window. So how's that happening?
Well, it works on the basis that the Nakamura, with its performance monitoring, along with the support of the Hydrofeed, allows us to palletize either billets, or we're able to bar feed the machine. That enables us to extend our running beyond for lights out, which means our normal operating window from 6 in the morning till 6 in the evening, we have got a 12-hour dead period. Within that 12-hour dead period, we are able to continue manufacturing using the equipment that we purchased.
Do you have to go this way? Is this the only route for you to be able to remain competitive?
I think it's necessary for businesses in general to consider you've got two expensive assets within a business, and one of them being your machinery and the other one being your personnel. And it's consideration on how you best utilize both of those expensive assets. With the skill set of staff, it's also understanding, are they better utilised on more complex parts that are perhaps smaller batch volumes, the ones and twos? In essence, do you need them to stand there doing 1,000 off, putting cherry on a cake?
Absolutely. And how are you then utilising your staff for this machine? Because you still need that element of someone looking at the machine, looking after it, even though they might be working on multiple machines.
Yep.
How's that working for you?
Oh, that's working very well. We have a number of people within the section trained up to come across and monitor the machine. The machine itself has very stringent monitoring facility or system within it. So even the slightest problem, the machine will alarm out. We're also able to monitor outside of normal operating hours because we have remote access to the machine via software. So we can actually see what's going on by axis loading and deal with it from there.
So if someone was teetering on the edge and they're thinking, right, this is a solution that I need, what is it about, let's talk about the Nakamura now. What is it about this machine that really works for you?
I think we gave consideration to other manufacturers prior to going down this route. And there were a number of factors that came into it. And it wasn't just necessarily cost-based, but it's performance-based, availability, how that fits into the business and what we're trying to do as a business. The Nakamura as an overall product answered all those questions. I think the ease of being able to program has been proven by how quickly the team have managed to be able to get full utilization out of the machine, and even facilities such as the balanced machining. So putting in things like the weight codes has been very easy, and we haven't needed specialized software to do that. It can all be done at the machine.